Which is why what you're about to see is my backup master plan, hopefully unfolding as I intended. And it all starts with what Nolan is about to do.
Yo! Yo, what's up?
That's Nolan! No!
That's him. Yeah, I saw it.
Get the camera!
Go, Taylor, go!
For this next diversion, I really just wanted to have a lot of explosions. It might not make much sense, but man, does it look epic.
We can't see anything.
We're not gonna catch him.
Ah! 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 Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I love you, Mom!
We gotta go. We gotta go. Oh my God, that was the coolest thing I've ever done.
Nolan, you're welcome.